Okay, we got the MIG set up. This is a Miller Ultimatic 200. It does TIG, MIG, and stick. And I've got, right now, I got it with stainless gas, which will work for this. I should use CO2, but I don't have any, so sue me. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. Make sure that I can see it. Yes, you can see it. Okay. So, this is really fast. There you go. 2 pretty welds. Very fast. Now the other side. Now I'll put a stitch in the middle. Doesn't have to go technically. This has got copper underneath it, so. Okay, now we'll move our copper to the other end. You have an opportunity to pick up some copper. Go for it. This cost me like $20, I think. Which is nowadays copper is going stupid expensive. I have to lock it up because I'm going to steal it just to recycle it and get money. It's like $5 a pound or something. Some insane amount. Okay, there we go. I love my helmet, except it doesn't stay up, which really aggravates me. I want it to stay up, it doesn't. Let's see if we can go down a little more, maybe. Is that in the camera frame? Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. I don't even do one welding, but there you go. That's welded. Now, I should put a couple stitches across there, so we'll just use that copper. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm putting that in frame. Yep, looks like it is. I'm just going to put a little stitch across there. Having a copper back there means it absorbs the heat and doesn't burn through. And at the bottom, look uneven. Not that anybody's going to see it. There you go. That's a pretty looking little well. We dropped it again. Oh dear. A week and a half ago I slipped on ice and I'm still missing it. My back is so held up. I'm running out of money going to the chiropractor. He's doing a good job though. Where's the plate? Right there. Okay. So these are that. There. Of course, the helmet down. Okay, I think it's on there. Yep. Are you in the screen? You're in the frame. Let's see. This time you're not. So I'm going to tilt it up. There it is. Okay. One stitch right here. Everybody's happy. There you go. So that's welded. Now, we should put a couple stitches across in here. I just kind of tacked it. It's actually tacked very ugly if you look at it. So we'll, I don't know if we can put copper back there or not. That will really be visible because that's on the body. So we'll throw that. That's got it. So let's put the stitches here and there. Look at that, I burned the hole. My copper's back there. Copper's back there, so I just welded it on top of it. Yep, perfect. Okay, put one in the middle and one on the other end. That'll be good enough, I think. Okay, so remove my copper. Wow, that's amazing. It's amazing. Let me show you that if I can. Where is it? Right there. You see, that's where I burnt through. I weld it right up. So we'll weld this one now. Get this set up. I wish I knew how to run cameras better. Anyway, what can you do when you live in a shoe? Okay, here we go. So we're going to be more careful this time so we don't burn through. Okay. There we go. There's your weld. Now one over here. And then we're done, I think, for this. So we'll move that up to there. And put the copper on the other side if we can. Yep. Not quite enough. I'm gonna have to. There. I'm gonna just go to the left a little bit more. There's paint in the way too, so we'll see what happens. There you go. So much faster with me. Okay. So we'll stop there for now. You can hear it distorting. Okay, so we're going to stop there.